This is a video of my 99 Pontiac GTP. I got the LED turn signals installed. They're just the $10 or so you can get on eBay. And then just probably, about 10 bucks in wiring. All in all, looks pretty good for 10 bucks. You will need some basic tools like a Dremel and get some silicone adhesive, and yeah, so check them out. There's the left. There's the right. That's with my garage lights on, so they're actually quite a bit darker. But here we go. They turned out really good. I pretty much have them spaced out in the same exact spot. So I can show you right here. Can't really show you both at the same time, but that's what they look like. Pretty happy with them, and for only 20 bucks, it makes a world of difference.